How to add click animation in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add click animation in Wix Studio. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. You can click it and then you will be in that website dashboard and you can navigate to edit site here. You can click it. And after that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor. So you can choose the element you want to add the click animation. So let's say I want to add the click animation on this button, show now button. So you can just, select layer, right click and then select layer and then choose the show now button. And then you can open the inspector and then go to the animation and effects, this one. Then you will see there is click animation. So I'm gonna remove it. I just try it. So you can just click add on the click animation. And as you can see, there's presets and custom. So we're gonna choose the preset one because you can just choose it and it's already have the animation. So if you want to try it one by one, you can just click it and you will see the animation when someone click it. So let's say I'm gonna choose twist here. Can just click it and then back it and then you can just click publish and then you can click preview. So we're gonna try it. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna click the shop now button. This is the shop now button. We can click it. And as you can see, that was the animation. So it's done. You can also, try it on the other element on your website. You can just repeat the process. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.